Planning to sell in 2022? Well, here's a few things that you can expect. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and as we work with buyers and sellers getting to know the current market that we're in, here's 3 top things you should expect this year in selling your house. Expect multiple offers. According to recent data by NAR, the National Association of Realtors, the average seller is receiving 3.7 offers on their home. This varies by location, as we are seeing many more than that on some locations and than the average on others. While this may taper down just a bit, it's likely that you'll have more than one buyer for sure interested in your home. 2, expect to learn about the real estate lingo. As you compare multiple offers, that means you'll be doing a lot of deep diving into contingencies, escalation clauses, appraisals, inspections, and other contingencies to determine which offer is best for you. No need to stress. You should have a knowledgeable agent working for you who will explain each detail of every term and contingency within a contract. And lastly, expect the competition to increase. Although spring is a busy buying season, the inventory has been very low, so many buyers who delayed or haven't found a home through the winter will still be looking as they go into spring. Now is the opportunity to list your home, and if you're looking for a realtor, it would be an absolute pleasure to sit down for 35 to 45 minutes, explain how we get homes sold in this current real estate market to maximize your opportunity.